technically worldwide and India madhe, and now I think it's getting better. But a celebrity has two people. One is an agent and one is a manager. So the manager is slightly, so in India actually it's hardly split properly because all celebrities usually only have managers. But actually it has to be split up as a manager and an agent. So agent is the person who gets you work. So for example, and a manager is somebody who manages your schedule.
Okay.
So a manager is a bit like a secretary. But in India, that's Kabutar's back. But in very comfortable Kabutar also. But in India, it's split not this well. But the way it works is ki an agent will go and approach a brand, or an agent will go and talk to a movie director. An agent will actually get work. A manager is actually who plans it for you. So do you have time? Do you have dates? And a secretary is actually a third level, or a PA, because a secretary or a PA is actually a gopher or a sorry, but slightly elevated peon. I mean, it's not the world's best job. But in India now, actually, between so all the celebrity management agencies that have started, including the one we started, are very great. Is a mix of both managers and agents, and
still wants to hear you.
Basically. So managers and agents. And मी त्यांना पण सांगत होती, and I think everybody should understand this, which I think most people understand now. A celebrity is nothing more than a brand, right? So how you treat a celebrity as a brand is how you would basically treat the difference between a Coca-Cola or a Thumbs Up, or so that would be, say, a difference between an Aamir Khan and a Shah Rukh Khan. So you actually treat them as brands. So what we used to do is, and to give you just a working example, is you take a celebrity and you say that what are these celebrities / product or brand sort of attributes. So if you pick Thumbs Up, so for Thumbs Up is a strong, robust, adventure, that's the brand attribute. So similarly you would say the fit with a Thumbs Up would be just obviously someone else who's strong, adventurous, robust. So it's in a similar vein. So even with a celebrity, what you do as management is make sure त्यांचे हे जे brand attributes आहेत, they come to a forefront in film choices they make, brand choices they make, appearances that they do. So you would not recommend a celebrity to do something that's against their brand identity, right? Is that going to join us very soon?
Wants to be in the limelight, maybe.
Really?
But म्हणजे celebrity सुद्धा.
I know, maybe. काहीतरी सिक्रेट
एक इथे थोडा असं वेगळं की सेलिब्रिटी म्हटल्यानंतर आपल्याला एक बॉलिवूड किंवा ॲक्टर असं की ही इमेज डोळ्यासमोर येते. पण नावडेज स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनॅलिटीज पण सेलिब्रिटी याच्या अंडर येतात, किंवा पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स आहेत त्यांचं पण ब्रँडिंग आजकाल होत चाललंय. वी सॉ इन दिस इलेक्शन की नरेंद्र मोदींचं कसं ब्रँडिंग झालं होतं. तर इथे त्यांच्याही याचा विचार केला जातो का, म्हणजे मॅनेज करताना त्या सेलिब्रिटी?
इनफॅक्ट our Prime Minister's branding was handled by 3 agencies. आणि I mean Piyush Pandey, who's considered one of the biggest stalwarts in it, is one of the people who led his brand campaign. And it was very, I don't know तुम्ही stories वाचल्यात, पण amazing. त्यांचे जे kurtas आणि so you were making an insinuation pehle about fashion and politics, not. I think he's totally changed the face of it.
Yeah, exactly.
His the kurta that he does right now is, you know, it sells in thousands, and the shop has a turnover of many crores. So I think it was very important the way Piyush Pandey led his campaign. Okay, not led. Many agencies are fighting to take credit for who was responsible for this campaign. But from whatever you know, so yeah, in India, I think a lot of people, I would think somebody like a Sanjeev Kapoor is a great example of how you take a brand from being somebody who was a chef, Panata has their own range of products, and you know, so own cook. So I think what we are also trying to do in the new company that I've started is, you know, so in the US, for example, there are brands like Martha Stewart, or there are brands like even a Kim Kardashian, which I think
Oprah Winfrey.
all the boys will know of. These brands are now, she's not a famous actress, or she's not a, barely must have done anything, worth notable. But Martha Stewart's been, for example, Martha Stewart, is considered this celebrated chef, but she's been to jail. So it's very interesting ki somebody who's considered America's sweetheart, who makes pots and pies and bakes for a living, has actually been to prison, and continues to be famous for her the brand that is more famous. So there are lots of conversations that you have even with the current Bollywood lot, ki who are they, what are they famous for, how you remember them for other things, when actually even if they've been to jail or even if they've been arrested for something, you actually remember what the brand manager or the marketeer has actually made you remember about them.
So सेलिब्रिटी ब्रँडिंग ही गोष्ट फक्त त्या जाहिराती कुठल्या करतात ह्याच्याशी निगडीत नाही, त्या पलीकडे जाऊन ती काहीतरी करणारी आहे. कारण आपल्याकडे सेलिब्रिटी ब्रँड असं म्हणलं की पहिल्यांदा आठवतं की कुणीतरी एक सेलिब्रिटी कुणाची XYZ प्रॉडक्टची जाहिरात करतोय, म्हणजे ते ब्रँडिंग होतं का?
नाही, पण आय मीन अगेन इट्स नॉट टेक्निकली, पण जे आपल्याला दिसत नाही, द बिग थिंग जे आपल्याला दिसत नाही इज ऑल द PR, राईट? कारण आय टोल्ड यू दॅट एव्हरी सेलिब्रिटी शुड हॅव अ मॅनेजर, एजंट अँड अ सेक्रेटरी, but the most important person the celebrity should have is a publicist. Now, a lot of publicists are not in the forefront. Maybe you should interview one next for your Viva Lounge. But wow, this confetti now. But the publicist actually is the most important, and a part of our role as a celebrity manager also is to interact with the publicist, right? So I hate to break this bubble, but so much that you read in the papers is not true. Not even so much. I would say almost 90%.
About celebrities.
Yeah, because most of it is concocted. Even certain alliances or relationships, or the classic cricketer and a celebrity relationship, is only to either increase the brand value for one person or to make sure that the other person's branding is better. So that's all publicity, and that's all a publicist's
ते
job.
सगळं ठरवून केलेलं असतं थोडक्यात.
More or less it is planned. I mean, it's not like nothing is true, and it's not as calculated, but more or less, so for example आपण decide करतो की this girl is going to be the next Zinat Aman. So what, even if she is not a Zinat Aman, तिला त्या रोलमध्ये फिट करायचं असेल तर कुठचे फिल्म्स तिने केले पाहिजेत, कुठचे स्क्रिप्ट्स हॅन्स वाचाल तुम्ही आणि कुठचे स्क्रिप्ट्स तुम्ही म्हणाल नॉट ॲट ऑल, कारण ह्याच्यात एकदम तुझा रोल सती सावित्री टाईप आहे, पण तुला आम्ही झीनत अमान बनवणार आहे तर नकोच करूस. फ्रॉम दॅट ॲडवाईस टू सेईंग की हॅन्स तू फॅशन वीकमध्ये वॉक कर, किंवा केस असे काप, किंवा झीनत अमान टाईप तुला बनायचं असेल तर डू यू वॉन्ट टू डेट क्रिकेट स्टार. त्या बिचाऱ्याला माहिती पण नसणार, पण पेपरमध्ये आर्टिकल येणार. तर इट्स ऑल मेड सो दॅट तिला she gets that. And the truth is you try this with 100 people, not even 1 or 2 work out. So but the manager's role is to try.